Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a cockatiel, often called a cocktail bird. First, let's set up their new home. A spacious cage is crucial, providing ample room for flight and play. Remember to include perches of varying textures and diameters to keep their feet healthy. A proper diet and fresh water are also essential for their well-being, ensuring they thrive in their new environment. A healthy diet is fundamental for your cockatiel's longevity and happiness. Pellets provide balanced nutrition and should be their primary food source. Supplement this with a variety of fresh vegetables like kale, broccoli, and carrots, which offer vital vitamins. Seeds, while enjoyed, are high in fat and should only be given sparingly as a treat, perhaps a teaspoon or two daily. Your cockatiel's environment significantly impacts its quality of life. Toys are not just for fun. They prevent boredom and encourage natural behaviors like chewing and climbing. Rotate toys regularly to keep things interesting. Supervised out-of-cage time, for at least 30 minutes daily, allows them to stretch their wings and interact with you, strengthening your bond. Maintaining your cockatiel's health involves both proactive care and attentive observation. Regular veterinary visits are key to catching potential issues early, ensuring your feathered friend stays in top condition. Socialization is equally important. These birds are highly social creatures. Daily interaction, gentle handling, and even teaching simple tricks will foster a strong, loving relationship with your intelligent companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.